Did you charge at 10 a.m. only for the phone to die by 3 p.m.? This happens to many people and it is very annoying. It feels bad when you cannot leave your house without a charger. We pay for the phone but we do not control the battery. Companies keep many settings on by default. Because of this, your phone works silently all day and wastes power. I will show you these hidden drains today. You will be surprised how much power your phone loses without you knowing. I will show just a few settings today. Turning these off will increase your charge by nearly 50% with proof. Compare your phone's state with mine. One thing to note is the last tip in this video is the most important. Many do not know it, but it kills your battery from the inside. Let us get to work now. Find the settings app from your app drawer and open it. This is the main control room of your phone. Every solution starts here. Many services inside our phones stay busy sending notifications. Have you noticed that useless notifications turn on your screen repeatedly? This damages the battery a lot. Open settings and scroll down a bit. You will find an option called notifications. This is our first target. Now tap on notifications and find the app notifications option inside. You will see a long list of all apps on your phone. Get ready to be surprised. You will see apps sending notifications that you never need. For example, Android System Intelligence or Gallery. The Gallery app gives you notifications. Just think about it. Do your photos talk on their own? These eat battery in the background. So turn off the toggles next to all unnecessary apps quickly. Do not worry. It will not hurt the phone but will increase your peace. After finishing the notification cleanup, go back and search for the printing option. If your phone has a search bar, type printing. Do you print from your phone? I do not. You probably do not either. Then why is the phone looking for printers all the time? Your phone scans for printers nearby constantly. This gives the Wi-Fi chip no rest. It thinks you will print something right now. Turn off the default print service in the printing settings to stop this. Your battery will finally breathe. Once printing is off, go back to the main settings page and click the Google option. Some settings inside Google use a lot of your phone power. Google wants to track and keep you connected always, but we need to save battery more, right? Look at the bottom for an option named Devices and Sharing or just Devices. Tap on it. Google sucks your battery in 3 places here. None of them help you. Now tap the Scan for Nearby Devices option and turn it off. You can understand from the name that your phone scans for devices nearby all the time. It might think you will connect a headphone or another phone, but manual Bluetooth is enough when you want to connect. This automatic scanning is a processor killer. Turning this off makes your phone much cooler. I say you should turn this off first. Exit Google settings and go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This feature records how long you use your phone. But the problem is it runs background calculations to record this data. Part of your processor always stays busy for this task. It is a hidden drain. If you do not care about your usage time, it is better to keep it off. After entering, you will see 3 dots at the top right. Tap those 3 dots and pick settings, then scroll down to usage data access, find the settings app there and turn off its permission. This will stop Google from recording small movements of your phone. It also protects your privacy. Many people do not notice this, but it is a big battery thief. When the phone works less, it uses less charge. This is the simplest logic. Now exit settings and go directly to the battery option. We will set something here to support the hardware. You surely have many apps you do not open once a week, yet they eat your battery while sleeping in the background. We must stop this. You will see an option called background usage limits or battery usage limits. We have much work left inside it. Smart management is vital here. Turn on the toggle for Put Unused Apps to Sleep inside this option. Your phone will understand which apps you do not use. It will send them to a coma until you open them yourself. This keeps the RAM clean and saves battery. Sometimes we feel the phone is slow. It happens because extra apps run in the background. You will feel more smoothness just by turning on this switch. Go back from battery settings and click the location option. This is the biggest criminal behind your battery drain. Whenever an app wants your location, it turns on the GPS. GPS means huge pressure on the battery. Click app permissions to see how many apps have your location. You will be shocked to see a calculator or notepad wanting your location. We need to stop them now. Find Google Maps or any other map app from the list. you might see allow all the time selected there. This means it tracks you even when you do not use the app. Change it to only allow while using the app. Check other apps similarly. Choose don't allow for apps that do not need location. You will see the difference in battery percentage when the phone stops connecting to satellites. Return to the main location settings and open the connections option. We manage phone signals and networks from here. You will find an option called more connection settings at the bottom. Go there. Look, another nearby device scanning option is here too. The previous one was for Google and this one is for your system. Double scanning means double battery drain. Just tap and turn it off. Your phone will be at peace when scanning stops. Do you feel your phone gets hot sometimes? These network scans make the phone hot. When the phone gets hot, the battery drains very fast. Keeping these off saves charge and increases phone life. These small changes keep your hardware healthy for a long time. Smartphones drain our charge while trying to be too smart. We must use our brains to use the phone. Our last and most important setting is battery protection. Go back to battery settings and find this option at the bottom. Many of us charge the phone all night. It keeps charging after reaching 100%, which is harmful for battery health. You can limit your phone by turning this on. There might be 3 modes. I suggest you pick maximum mode. This is best for long-term use. Picking maximum mode will stop charging at 80 or 90%. You might think you get less charge, but charging that last 10% puts the most pressure and damages the battery. Turn this on today if you want to use your phone for years. You will soon see your battery is not swelling or draining fast. Apple gives this 80% limit in iPhones. Now you did the same on your Android. Smart decision. I hope you solved your phone charge problems by following these steps. Use the phone for at least 2 to 3 days after making these changes. I am sure you will see a big difference. Give a like if you found the video helpful. Subscribe if you have not, because I bring practical tech videos regularly. Tell me in the comments if you have trouble with any step. I read every comment myself. I will read yours too. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Stay safe.